Hey guys, it's Craig with Squappy's Videos, and today we're going to go ahead and unbox this guy here. Alright, so what we have here is we have an XITPhoto all-in-one USB to card reader here. Now, on this reader, the reason why we bought this particular one is honestly, it was cheap. It's only $10 on Amazon, and I will have a link down here in the description down below. The reason why I ended up buying this is actually because of the all-in-one uses of it, specifically for my daughter. This is an Olympus Stylus Tough. It's a waterproof camera. It uses something that I believe that only Olympus cameras use, or at least older Olympus cameras. I think now everyone's moved to either the SD standard or micro SD standard. But what we have is an XD card from Olympus here. So I'm going to bring that close up. And see, I have a card reader, but it only does SD, compact flash, and micro SD. So what we're going to do, we're going to open this guy up, and we're going to actually plug it up. It does say it is PC and Mac compatible, and guess what? I can do either operating system on my computer. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and plug this up. We're going to start it up in Mac. We're going to test it out. Then we're going to switch to Windows and see if it also works there. But for now, let's get this guy opened up. Alright, so let's get this guy opened up here. So, don't mind my really bad blade here, but let's see. Hopefully that was enough to open this up. Yeah, there it is. So I don't think there's going to be much to this, to be perfectly honest. It's just going to be a piece of cardboard. Yeah, that's really all it is. No instructions really, just plug it up. It says it has 7-slot support. And it's a USB, micro USB B, or no, mini USB B. This isn't even micro. This is mini USB B. And this is I'm going to say it. It's a dinky little cord here. It wasn't even, look, they had a twist tie around it. And it wasn't even done. Like, that's, God, what is that? Like 1 foot? It's a very tiny cord. And then I don't know if you can tell. I mean, this is, look at the flex on this. This does not, honestly, I'm not very hopeful for this. But it does say that it does do micro secure digital. So micro SD, I guess that would be right there. Wow, it doesn't say, oh, yes it does. TF, trans flash, that's what it was. M2, I guess that's the micro, or no, the mini SD. And secure digital, that's just regular SD. XD, it's going to be this top one here, so we'll test that out. And MS/MS Duo, and that's actually Sony's. Oh, hit the camera there. That's actually Sony's old proprietary standard memory stick, and then of course compact flash is going to be down here. So it supports a lot. Let's see if this will even fit, not having it plugged in. So, it's only a little 2 GB card, but it does look like it fits. So that's good. That's at least the next step. So, alright. So, what we're going to go ahead and do now is I move the camera real quick. I have a little photo hub at the front of my computer right here. The USB ports. We're going to go ahead and just plug this in. I already got the micro SD card in. And as you see, for some reason, The SD card shows up, or the XD card shows up, I should say. It is named My Baby. And here it is. And there we go. We have the card being read perfectly fine, as well as it showing all the photos. So, and once again, this is in Mac OS. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and change it up. Let's switch over to Windows and see where that takes us. All right. And now, we still have the same computer here. But as you see, we're now in Windows. So, we're going to go ahead and take this XITPhoto USB reader again. Plug it in with the supplied USB cable. Oh, we got some noises and some sounds, and a window popped right up for a USB drive and drive D. Oh, and where did it go? There it is. DCIM, we got Olympus, and look at that. We have the drive. It just read like that. So I think that's actually pretty amazing that this even worked. I'm really honestly shocked overall. All we really needed it for was the XD cards. So what we're going to do, we're going to be able to get some of those pictures off of there. It's actually from a trip that we took last year to Greece. I actually have some videos and some footage I'll go ahead and link up at the top there, as well as links in the description down below. But anyways, guys, this was actually just, once again, the review of the XITPhoto high-speed all-in-one reader writer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't much, but thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. My name, once again, is Craig. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up button once again as well if you haven't already. Or hit the thumbs down button. Either way, that's your choice. Hope you guys have a good day. Thank you guys for watching Squappy's videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.